Yes. I just salute Una all. I greet Una from the bottom of my heart. Mostly the people when they face the fire for ground zero. And our brothers and sisters where they don't lost loved ones. And those ones that they stay 1 or 2 days hungry just because it things can be difficult. I understand. And I feel that pain too. It be hard to see what did happen with we. It be hard to see what did happen with our homeland. It be hard to see how far our people did go. When I mean how far did they go now, how far some did they go for sell their souls. But where they know the truth, where they know the fact. My coming for Una today and for just still remind me of a few things, a few truth about we. Sometimes it can help some of we for change our stance. My coming today not for pointing a particular person, but I just to try like awaken we will open our eyes, we look with them. One true fact be say British Southern Cameroon or British Southern Cameroonians, we will be a people. We will be a people who will get right for choose our tomorrow. We get right for choose how we want to be. We get the right for choose how we want our tomorrow it look like. We get the right for choose how we want to educate our picking them. We get the right for choose how we want to grow our family. We get the right for choose how we want for continue to bring up our tradition, make it be glorified. And joining East Cameroon or La Republic of Cameroon for this federation, it never mean for reduce we to be nothing. It never mean for reduce we, make we be beggars. It never mean for reduce we will be second-class citizens. It never mean for reduce we will be uneducated underdogs. By the way, for our region, when person be finish class, primary school, a level for understanding will be very, very high. And now which that way it will be difficult for French Cameroon or France as a whole for comprehend. It will be difficult for them to understand. So why these people they think one step ahead. So my coming today now for ask our people them a few questions. Just a few things. A few things. When I don't hear a few days ago, French Cameroon Minister of Territorial Administration, when I'm picking for Southern Cameroon, they don't give them hit a bullet, me come out for kill our people them. Last week, it come out, it asks, say our people then give for ask permission. They give for take permission before they buy even cutlass for go work farm. I no go beg una moon share, but una feel where they talk be okay, una begin share. No people that begin listening to where they talk. Minister Tanganji Paul, when I picking for Southern Cameroon, it be like undertaker where they don't give a machete, make it kill on people that go bury him. He come and say we give for take permission for buy cutlass. Before we want join French Cameroon, we not be the buy cutlass from French Cameroon. We not be the buy cutlass from French Cameroon. Cutlass will be the buy them. They be the make them for Southern Cameroon. Cutlass will be buy them. They be the make them for inside our own country and we the buy them for take and work farm for feed our families. For Babu Ngo, if you buy knife, you buy cutlass. Our people will be craftsmen. And now, the base of our education that way, it make me at the vex because our education will be there for train people that me to be able to be self-sustainable, me to be able to do things that it could bring glory to themselves. Will be the make collapse inside our villages them. Will be the make collapse inside family that would make collapse. Where will we grow up blast meet the day all side? It not be that because we be poor, no. It be not because we get the policy for train people me to be able to live a self-sufficient life. But today, I did talk this one about all the elitism. See how far when I don't live, see how far when I don't make it, they don't reduce we. They don't reduce we for be less than beggars. You go chapter grass in the Warrior Farm, you go write permission for go for deal when a French Cameroon puppet make he give you permission for go buy that collage where one go walk a farm there. It show how far they don't bring way down. Ma recall na something. A company like Bongam company for Bamenda. If they produce farm tools, we will buy them at a very good price. They will do inside Bamenda itself. They will produce all our tools then. As a picking we grow for the top, we grow for Bamonka. Will not be need for go buy knife. We come out for China. No, in those our days. You want buy a knife. You just go for market. You go see Papa the way they sell knives for line. You see the way they sell collars for line. You see the way they sell tools for line. What it don't happen with we? What it happen with we? What it happen along the line? Why would green make French people them? They bring we down. We be less than beggars. It will always be digging a big glory for we, forget our craftsmen them all around we. A leader be the turn up, talk for the people that like a brother them. Wait, it don't happen along the line. The question I want to ask all the so-called elites from Southern Cameroon today, that say, where will I turn up? Look yourself. Look left, look right, look back. That bribe where they give you, that money they give you, it could bury you, you go for grave. Like an elite, no. You could go for grave like me, I will go for grave too. You could die. They could bury you with nothing, like they could bury me too with nothing. As the self say, when you don't lie for down, wait, they're going to talk about you and you're picking them. As a sister, when you don't begin die, you'll go to dance gospel music for you for United States, like actually dance gospel music for United States now. After it don't sell the people them for back home. As a sister, that people they come out primary school now where you know if you write even later. Which kind of future you get them for the country where you say you love them? That people they complete primary school now, complete even secondary school with GCE, where you know if you write the letter. Which kind of future you get them for that country where you say you the leader? We get to ask ourselves some basic, simple questions then. If we don't do them because of greed, say they don't come bribe we, they bribe this one, they bribe that one, they bribe that one, you go take the money. Just stand up now, reflect, think about yourself. You go live now fine. Then you leave the generation behind you, me they die, me they suffer. Where her name could they? Ask. Say if Gandhi would live that kind of life, therefore they call his name today. If Foncha for live that kind of life, therefore they call his name today. What it don't happen way along the line? Why we don't be too mean? They don't try everything for break we. But at the time got too much because a small dignity is there for a little part of we. And then, if we come back all together again, with time, we can rebuild back that our dignity. You will go take permission now for buy collars, where you will be a producer of that collars. You will be a producer of that collars. You go take permission now for buy them, for go work farm. Which it don't happen along the line. Which don't happen along the line. Which it don't happen for we along the line. Which it don't happen. Why we don't go down so low? From the beginning, they start the tale we say, we be one and indivisible. When we turn up, we protest, say, things the way that they do for we not fine. They shoot we with iron bullets. For show you, that man will call himself elite, that man will call himself politician for Southern Cameroon. For show you, say you be nothing. For your village, they protest. They shoot them with live bullets. For Douala, they protest, they shoot them with rubber bullets. They take you keep our comfort zone for your own day. But when you make noise, they go poison you, you go die. They don't die plenty. Think of Mandam. When you make noise, they go poison you, you die. Think of the former mayor of Oboya. But from the beginning, if we be stand behind una people, we not forget the best protection so far. But it never be late. It never be late. We as a people from Southern Cameroon, it never be late. We will still rebuild our country if we not denounce all that evil way the French push now for Douam. They could call you smile and say, my brother. But you believe them in your own detriment. You believe them for your own detriment. So my question today, now for us now, where we not turn up? Where you there now, so you there fine? Where you know if you go for your homeland? Where even those French people that they say that they protect you, now them don't form milice them when they kill your people for your village, they call them Amber Boys. Wait till happen along the road. We'll ask ourselves this question. We'll continue with the story, but when I listen to this song, what make them for una? You say, be my brother. No. If you be my brother, you no go burn my villages. If you be my brother, you no go kill my people. If you be my brother, you no go burn my traditional place where I do my traditional rites. You no go burn my holy places of my village if you be my brother. So, if you be a chief, you be an elite from Southern Cameroon, you there Yaoundé, listen to this song. Ask yourself, if they be your brother, they could burn your own villages then. I could be back for una in a few minutes. Very soon. Hey, una can't see me trouble, yeah. From the beginning, you will be like the Republic of Cameroon. Me and we British Southern Cameroon. And 1961, we should have a woman conversation, one for arrange to live together. We make plans how we want to live like brothers. Any person to respect one another. But 1972, you can't change everything. From that day, you start to thief and carry all my things and go over your country. And now you call me your brother. No, I deny. You say, I be your brother. No. You say, you be my brother. No way. You don't go wrong. You don't pass me. No. If I be your brother, you no go kill my mama. brother. You know what is everything I get. You say, you be my brother. I say no.
And as we go on, you continue with your destruction.
Yes,
1984 again. Things don't change from 1972 from Federal Republic to United Republic. Now 1984, we cement them again to like Republic to Cameroon. Which was the time the name of you get them before one join. Because I said they be call like Republic to Cameroon, they call my own country West Cameroon when the British South Cameroon. First democracy of Africa will not be enough, brother. You can't divide me again. You put one part northwest, one part southwest. All of make a move. People. That's the competitive system where we help us with our parents to sell their food of good prices. Where the Santa Cooperative Union there. You thief all our missions of PWD by that cannot go for your own day. Break down PWD. Our electric plant for your carry damage them completely. Our airports they damage them, they tickle the mafia and they made the airport. Even our airline will be the strongest airlines for Africa. West Cameroonian Airlines.
Where Cameroon Airlines there. Our banking system, brother, you break them down completely. Loot our banks them. The banking system will be able to loan up to 5 million for our citizens in those days. Whereas your own banking system, not if you loan up to 500,000 francs CFA. If your citizens don't go France, go ask permission. Also West Cameroon, private companies, the Nanga, the Kilo Brothers, and the Neighbor Automobiles, and many other companies them. Maybe they keep the private sector very strong, you break them down. But our technical education, you damage them, loot the technical schools them, carry all your equipment and go for your country. Technical education is a backbone of the nation. If you break me down for this kind of way, you go see yourself before money, my brother.
Bushman.
I deny. Bushman, my brother, at all. Forget you say, I'll be your brother. No. Hey. You say, you be my brother. No way. You don't go wrong. You don't pass me. If I be your brother, you no go kill my mama. If I be your brother, you no go kill my papa. If I be your brother, you no go kill my baby. If I be your brother, you no go burn all my villages. If I be your brother, you no go take anything I get. You say, you be my brother. I say no. After I don't do all this ill for me, break down our political system, kill our great politicians and brave leaders like Augustin Gundua. Just some of the power from the out of the country like Ambassador Folsom. Like a house of chiefs somewhere. Damage our system completely. The West Cameroonian House of Assembly break them down. We turn out for rape for no salt. Our community workers they go put metal mold to the snake. All our community system maybe they help to bring up our people them. You break them down. Don't now for bringing our judges them mean they judge our people for court so they don't understand the language they want you to speak. Bring in your fake minorly trained doctors. We they treat our people for their hospitals for language they don't understand. As if it not be enough, we bring in teachers that when they not even talk with language, they not be as qualified as our teachers. We they teach our people for language they don't understand. Evil people. And even now for the early 2000s, right up to 2016, we're talking. Yes, okay. I don't come back again for Una. We don't see for the recent times then. They realize that they never stop we forget our independence. They never stop we for fight. They get the material, they get the weapon, they get the machinery. But because we get the willpower for fight, they don't come back, they take our very brothers then. Before one start, this killing of our people starts since 1961. But late 2016 and early 2017, before they declared the war, we one start fight. Most of the divisional officers for our area will be now, they are picking them. They will be now French Cameroon people. Most of them will be now French Cameroon people. Now when they don't realize and say they don't stop we, they don't take our own brothers and bring them back for we, so that we will slaughter them. I ask myself now for this SDOs them. Now who the fool who? Before we want start for fight for free our homeland, you will be boy somewhere for Douala or somewhere else, the work office boy. Now they don't carry bring and me be SDO among your people, then say that they kill you. But you know the reason, you know the thing. French Cameroon people no go ever love you past your own brothers. They don't see say their own people then be incapable for stop we. Now they don't bring you. They bring you. They bring you. They bring you. They put a like SDO now for inside among your own people. So that means they kill you. Ask yourself, who the fool who? Now who the fool who? Why you know if you turn up one day, you open your eyes, say, hey, go back for history. Think for yourself. Say, hey, but people then get right for what they talk. French Cameroon will protect me. Now why they don't take me, send my people then kill me? Turn back now, you go for the right way. You join the people for free your homeland. Then you could be somebody better than what you were there. You will be somebody who will turn up. One talk like a divisional officer. You go know what you talk. You don't go recite the way the person tell you from you talk. What to be wrong with we? If we speaking of Southern Cameroon, including you, the SDO, you, the fake minister, you this, if for day one, you will be more than what you were there. You are just more. You be better than what they say you did. But they make you a slave for them. And because of you die like a slave for them. If you not turn up, you hold your canals like a man. For free your own homeland. For be somebody. Just look the kind of dignity where our chiefs they get them. Look the kind of dignity where our funds they get them. Ask yourself, you the SDO. When a Southern Cameroonian picket don't bring them, you can be among your people now. Ask yourself, where will they head to? Ask yourself, where your homeland is, where the dignity there. Ask yourself, say, now which kind of money they'll give you where it could be equal to that life that they kill for your homeland? That people they die, nobody na bulu they die. Now people they die. That people they die, nobody na bamliki they die. Now people they die. I'm gonna tell you one thing. As they die, because they didn't come back home. And one day, now your own neck to go life for them with the cut them. It be a disgrace for you if you call yourself SDO among your people. Where you never turn out like a man, you talk with your people then. Where you never turn out like a man, like a person, you talk true for your people. When somebody dictate from somewhere to you get for talk. And then just go back a few months before, or let me say, almost 2 years into the fight, the SDA be there for where you did now being a Frenchman. Almost 2 years into the fight, the SDA will there for a place where you did now being a Frenchman. But since they realize that we get right for do it what we do, since they realize that we get the power for free that homeland, now they don't carry you like we own brother put and say me they kill you. And then, who the fool who? Who the fool who? Now who did deceive who? Now who did lie who? Who the fool who? Who's all your chiefdoms and they? Also, all your condoms and they don't carry our respectable tradition. Carry go Yaoundé. And small time, if you not protect that homeland from that enemy come out from overside the Mongo, small time, you could see say a respectable chief, the worker for road, the peaceful road, like me, I see what it happen for Bulu land. They go force una, put talk for una mouth. Make a moon put them disrespect una. And when I put them on disrespect, una turn back for una. Now they go come for una. Because they're not getting no protection. Wait to be a chief when you get people them behind it. I don't see one other chief turn up, she done for inside La Republic. It is saying get magical powers. You get magical power now for turn up for public, they talk for your people. If you get magical powers, man, just remind you. Our fondoms and our chieftaincies be based on purity. Purity. If you talk so you get magical power, and that magical power, now the one where your ancestors believe for you, you know say you turn up you want to play with your day. Because our ancestors them nobody degree lie. Our ancestors them nobody degree thief. Our ancestors them nobody want any fake. Before they want make you chief, they don't see say you be person where you turn up for your words. You be person where under any circumstance you could protect your people. But you don't sell your people them for French Cameroon. You say you be chief, you get magical powers. Who said that magical power come out? Now the devil where don't kind of for foreign land for bring and kill your people. Wait to happen along the line. Why we don't grieve for sell ourselves? Why we don't grieve for sell ourselves? Why? Why? If you die a poor person, but when you get a dignity, you die a happy person. Last, every person could die. But you get to choose your last days. You get to choose how your last days could be. You could go with a smile, or you could go the fear, the torment you get after you don't go. Make all our chiefs and when they day for Yaoundé, when they listen to my ugly voice, they ask themselves now, what happen along the line? Why I don't abandon my people? Why I don't abandon my people? If truly now your papa through the ancestors they hand over that chieftaincies for you. If no La Republic Cameroon will put you for there, ask yourself, what don't happen along the line? Why I don't abandon my people? Why I don't abandon my people? And then get up for place where you dey. This place will be a chief. Go talk with your people. Apologize. Go back for your palace. We could protect you from the enemy. And you could stay long life. You could rule your people then with dignity, with rigor, with truth. I tell you something. Where I live on like small pikin. When I be to grow up, they dispute them for inside family. They dispute them for inside our neighborhoods. It never be the sea court. Now know why it never be the sea court? Because chief in judgment became power. Chief in judgment became power. Power where person never dispute them. Because chief be the pass in judgment now with purity. Chief in judgment begins strength where no matter how you dey strong, if you say get money inside neighborhood, when chief don't say na so, it can remain so. Wait it don't happen along the line. Wait it all happen along the line. Wait it all happen for our people. If we feel go as far for damage that rich tradition will get them because of greed. No. You, that chief will tell for you, they say you get magical powers. Ask yourself, where that magical power come out? That diabolic magical power you don't come for foreign land to can kill your people. Or that magical power you get them over from your ancestors. If not the one you get them over from your ancestors, think very well. If not the magical power you get them over from your ancestors, think very well. Because you don't get no protection. You don't get no protection. Our ancestors them, they get the way that they do things. Before you want to be chief, they will see inside to you. For no say, you no go abandon your people. You no go sell your people. You no go deceive your people. You no go give false judgment. Because when you give false judgment, your life be in danger. Your life be in danger. Any person that come on Baba Gitungo, where if you still recall, make it not say, so one mistake they were Baba Gitungo phone be making for a long time ago. I see the come down from here, wind past movie calf. And that will be a sign. Ask yourself one time again, why we don't abandon our people then? Why we don't leave our chieftaincies? Why would they for foreign land? Why would they for Yaoundé? After the Frenchman don't kill you begin and finish, they go turn for you because they need your homeland. The protection where you get them. The only protection you get them now, the protection of your people then. Any political elite where it say it be some from Southern Cameroon, if you know they live with truth, you know they live with truth, you don't get no protection for French Cameroon. No protection. They go call you my brother, but they be far from your brother. If they be your brother, they no go burn your villages them. Even burn on your fondoms them. They no burn your kingdom. If they be your brother, they no go burn your home and meet them for inside house. If they be your brother, they no go rape your picking them. If they be your brother, they no go disgrace your woman for public. They no go naked your women for public. If they be your brothers them, they no go burn your up with them for inside the houses. They no go ever be your brother. They never ever be. And they no go ever be your brothers. Now the reason why when the sister we still strong past them, they send our brothers them, they can be Jews among we. Up to 2018, we not be get English Jews for our areas then. I remember when I buy a plot from Dop, the first deal will be na Ewondo. The second deal will be na the first assistant being na Bamileke. The second assistant being na Ewondo again. But now, you, my brother from Bamising, they don't put you deal from Dop. No, that because they love you. Ngang, Mbe, Jo. They don't put you deal from them because they like you. They put you deal because they want you to die. They want me that your umbrella, they kill you. So turn up today, ask yourself. Just wake up now, ask yourself. If they like you, and then ask yourself, say, before 2018, why did they never make you deal among your people that if they be like you? Before 2018, why did they make you deal among your people that if they be like you? Before 2016, why did they make you deal among your people that if they be like you? Before the war was that strong past them, why did they make you deal among your people then? Ask yourself that question. Then you come meet me. I could tell you, say, brother, turn up now. We could God protect you. Me not happen to you. If you feel you get part of kill your own people, then turn up now protect that homeland because no person no love you. A Wondo man not gonna love you. French man not gonna love you. They never ever love we. They call their brothers them dogs, kakala, cockroaches, any kind of name, for kill them. And then they kill them to go. Ask yourself, since as they kill inside Bamuka, inside Dop, inside Bamising, now how many Bamiliki people they don't die for that Bamising? How many Bamiliki don't die inside Dop? Ask yourself, how many don't die? Any deal when from Southern Cameroonian descent, where you did not deal within this war for our homeland, British Southern Cameroon. Ask yourself, say, how many French people did they don't kill up inside that homeland where you did it now? They kill now you. They kill now your nephew. They kill now your picking them. They kill now your future warriors. And when they don't finish kill those warriors, them you go turn up for me the road like person where he don't sell everything. He then naked. You go turn up be a stranger for your own homeland. They go dictate for you what you get for do for your own homeland. Like they dictate for you now for kill your own people them. And they ask the mayor of Undop, Daniel, you know your level. You know the evil way you don't do as a young man. We grow up together. You know your evil way you don't do as a young man. Ask yourself, which could protect you when French Cameroon don't go. Because surely we could chase them away. We could chase them. The fact say most of you don't shit on for back now quiet. It don't mean I say we know they're strong. We could chase them away. They could go naked. And ask yourself, when they don't finally go, Usa you go there. When they don't finally go, Usa you go there. Usa our dignity there. Which don't happen when we along the road. Usa our pride. When we go turn out for sister, will be a people that we're supposed to decide our destiny, our own self. When we don't start being chop brook pot, for chop not remember tomorrow. Our parents, they will build our roads with their bare hands. They will build. Look what it happened for our roads then. At the top become a pub, it work for PWD. They will work with sometimes with bare hands. And then when time we don't reach for community labor, opposite to come out with dig, build, sweep, keep our place neat, keep our roads them perfect. Which don't happen. When I cry for you, I cry now because I did see the pain. You, my brother, where you call yourself Joe, you, my brother, you call yourself Mayor, they support the enemy. I see the pain you could go through when time don't come. But I did call your conscience now. It never be late. They don't kill our people enough. It never be late. Just ask yourself, how many Bulu picking they don't die? How many Bassa picking they don't die? Whether Bassa even there among them. How many Bamileke picking they don't die? Now your own brothers they die. They die every day. Now own brothers they die every day. Why we could be so mean, so silly? Wait till it don't happen along the line. Ma come na to una man bear them, ma chiefs them. People when they grow up with dignity, with respect. I tell you where you there now. If you get that chieftaincy from ancestors, if no be Bia be forced you to be chief, if you get that chieftaincy from our ancestors, turn up now before it be late. Because you don't curse your homeland. You don't curse your homeland. Turn up now for your people that are back before it be late. Because my tell you something. Some statement they wait Desmond Tutu be making. So when the stone don't be at the slope with the roll for stop I no still there. They don't go stop we forget our independence. We know that they go stop we. So turn up now, you be with your people. Turn up now, you be with your people. They say Amber boys them don't kill person here. Amber boys they don't rob bank. Amber boys they don't do this. Ask yourself true. When you sit there among your people then, Yeah, people that will be that evil. No. The French Cameroon, from the onset, if you truly know the history for that two country them, the French Cameroon from the onset, they will be barbaric. If you want to still remember, think back for Macky Sall time. They will keep them chook their heads them for road. Only for frighten the Bamilekism. Mean they not still go off, means they not still go out for fight for the independence for the Republic of Cameroon, where we get wonderful peace for our homeland. So that barbaric acts them. Now they bring them out, they don't bring them for our homeland, but you turn up with them. Well, some people they get means to run go outside like Fundi don't run go for US. Achida you don't run go for US. After I don't shit for backside. Some people they get way for run go. Ask yourself where you go run go. When the evil don't come hunting you, where you go run go. But the fact say Achida and Fundi they don't run go for US now. You know me say they don't be free. Ask yourself how they could die. If I die a poor man, because I don't deny to take bribe for your own day. If I die a poor man, that time when I did mean why I did die, I could go with happiness. I could go with my free head. I could go with joy inside me. I could go with smile, like my papa died with smile. But if you gather all those things then, how you go lose your life? How you go end your life? This message will go for all the mayors. Mostly the mayor from Campbell, the mayor from Dubwin, and my brother who grow up together. I send this message for you. Rethink yourself, Daniel. Rethink yourself. I tell you something. For remind you, that homeland could be freed from the French Cameroon. Because we'll be a free people. And we will not always be a free people. No, but today, they can't dictate for we. Say we get for right permission before we buy collars for go Chapier farm. So if I take I on from my backside for make that collars like we be the do one before, they can't see my right permission for and submit collars for myself. They don't reduce me to beggars, reduce me to nonsense. Now they get that power now for turn up, for send our own, for can give you that kind of message. When we grow up, we will not be the import collars from French Cameroon. That collars will be made inside our own people. Inside our own people. We will get blasphemed them everywhere. Just for play where they born me. We will get blasphemed for left, for right, for front, for back. Where they will build all the tools them for we. Because they will train me for be self-sustainable. They will train for be craftsmen. Everything will be good for make our country be go ahead. We will be self-reliant. But lazy Frenchman don't come fool una. Me una turn una self against una people them. Frenchman were in the run naked. I still remember the first 5 hours of my life, being a Frenchman. And why would you grow? If any person don't go do all I come back, he turn thief man. Because he don't go learn that bad mentality. Man remind you, Daniel. We will get blasphemed them everywhere. We no need to go buy collars from far away. We will turn the backside, we buy knife, we buy collars. And because we don't accept me, they reduce me to uneducated fools. Now don't accept me, they reduce you to beggars. Now you will get for right permission now for buy collars, they come over for Nyamande. Collars they come over for Douala. Which it don't happen along the way. Which it don't happen along the road. Which it don't happen with we. Of course, they go buy some of you now. But they don't go buy every person. Because not every person there for that line. Not every person go grieve for sell his soul. God be great. So we still get people that with dignity where they don't go sell themselves. Might just remind you now. We never be beggars. If you dey among your people today, you will support the enemy. The time could reach. You are all no go there. Because you go turn up you one. No matter how much money you don't gather them, you go turn up you one. You don't get any protection from anywhere. Make we think. Time don't reach now for go back for our ancestors. Time don't reach now for go back for our roots. Protect what you will be we own. No leave me the enemy turn we apart. No leave me the enemy make a move be too low for sell ourselves for nothing. It be reasonable for die like a poor man than for die with regret. Than for die live family way go that way go live with regrettable life before their own die for die rich too. They don't reduce our educational system, it be nothing. Reduce everything, it be nothing. But we still build them back. But we still build them back. And we could build them back. Any Southern Cameroonian chief where there for Yaoundé. And anyone where they knock hard, say get magical powers. Where they think that say they depend for the ancestral magical powers for Southern Cameroon. Me not say the fool itself. Because our ancestors have never been evil people. Our ancestors them never be corruptible. Our ancestors them never take bribe. Our ancestors them nobody take wrong judgment. Our ancestors them nobody give false testimony. If I go turn up like a man, you die like a man. Than for die like an idiot, die like a coward. When I remember my words, at the Bekuna, I don't take too much time. Hold down this talk for I can't talk. I've been the talk before. I don't hold myself too long. This advice I give you now, when I take it serious. You be SDO today for any town for Southern Cameroon. Where before 2018, you will be an office clerk somewhere now. Francophone will be SDO for there. Ask yourself why they don't put you to the SDO for that place. And because they love you? No. And if they put you for that place like an SDO now, no, so you get power for change things for the good of your people, not for the good of a Bulu man, not for the good of an Ewondo man, not for the good of a Chang man, not for the good of a Bassa man, not for the good of a Douala man, but for the good of your people. Because your people be a free people and get the powers for change their destiny. And we could change that destiny. May God bless you. Listen to this message again through this song. We'll see you next time. I know go, she don't quiet again. Thank you, plenty.
This is not bring down our common law system. Lawyers will go for you to say no, it's enough. Come on, catch the beat and about the problem of your weeks. Our teacher they say they be good enough for teacher to begin them. You say no. Only they are only 10 French teachers that can't teach how to begin them. For lack of the teacher that they don't understand. Which kind of world is it? And you will say it don't be enough. Our brave warriors, them like Mr. Wiba Topo now. When I say we only need two pieces of sugar inside a basin of water, when I don't listen to it. And hear our leaders and tell them say, enough be enough. No, we declare our independence. Because if you don't declare our nation, like the Republic of Cameroon, we do always again for declare our own nation, West Cameroon, Southern Cameroon. Don't give them Amazon. If you don't live in that peace, come off our country. We go fight, we go die. You go fight, you go die. You want to can fight and die. Because history don't mean none. Your own people don't know the true history now. You don't still hide that for them. So, free yourself from the French. If we will go our way, be a man. We will not be brothers anymore. I don't see sorry, brother, I see a devil. If we go in peace, that we will fight to the last man standing. It is over. It is over. I will not ever be. You say, I'll be your brother. No. You say, you be my brother. No way. You don't go off. You don't pass me. No. If I be your brother, you no go kill my mama. If I be your brother, you no go kill my mama. If I be your brother, you no go kill my kingdom. If I be your brother, you no go take all my villages. If I be your brother, you no go cheat everything again. You say, you be my brother. I said no. Hey, when I can't see me trouble. Well, I hope when I don't listen to my advice, we will see next time. I thank you plenty. Make una try for see una take at least one thing when I don't talk. Ma tell una for animal war. If you see kites that they fly, or when they leave from Europe for go Africa for past the winter period, they fly in a very funny form. They fly like in a kite form. That one means they did plenty, but they get a form where they fly for fight against the wind. If the French Cameroon for start damage our system, damage our school system, damage everything we get. If we for turn up all like one, with everybody, including those people that call themselves elected politicians, they don't forget any way for disturb we. They don't forget any strength for stop we. Because if we did like these kites, we don't make that formation for block that wind. The fact that they will still kill some people, but they don't go that far. They go that far not just because I beg your pardon. They go that far not just because greed mislead some of we. Greed mislead some so-called elites. Even right off to the chiefs, where we get high esteem, we get high respect, they get dignity amongst we, like our own leaders, our own umbrellas. They buy them. But the fact is that they don't buy everybody. And the more way you abstain yourself from letting your soul to be bought, the more you'll get power where people when their homeland don't free. And one fact may be shown, I said that homeland could be free. Whether they want or not. As if we don't already start, it could free. We could free ourselves. Maybe it could be a couple of years. But one thing be certain. One thing be certain. The freedom don't already be inside mine. No matter how many they kill, no matter how many they buy, that freedom don't already be inside here. And no dog, no goat from across the Mongo will take that freedom out of way. So before you take any decision, before you make any move, think about the future of that homeland where we all love them. Southern Cameroon. Thank you plenty. We'll meet next time. If God permit, we will meet again.